My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Tesla Model Y. This vehicle has done just over 19,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we're met with an overview of the vehicle. This allows us to open the bonnet, charging port and boot, all from within inside the car. If we click on the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, schedule, safety, service and software. Within safety we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model Y comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we press here, we can access our climate control, which includes heated seats, a heated screen and a heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our black leather seats as well as our pan roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.